how to automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. So what you're going to do first is you have to choose the email that you want to be set on a specific folder. So for example, this one. What you're going to do is to copy this person's email. So let's just copy it here. And then after copying that, on the upper right, you'll see the gear icon, right? Click on that and tap on See All Settings. So before that, I will be explaining to you what labels are. Labels are like a folder for you. So we have to create a new folder, and that is where you can find those specific emails going in from your inbox. So let's go here to settings, and on the upper part here, you'll see these options. Just go here to filters and block addresses. So what you're gonna do is to create a new filter here and then paste that person's email. And then if you have, for example, you want three specific emails to be set on one folder, you can actually add them, just paste their emails here. But for me, this is for tutorial purposes. I just want to add one. And then tap on create filter here. So what you're going to do next is to apply the label. Click on the check mark here and then tap on choose label. So if you already have a specific folder for that or label, then choose it here. But for this, let's just create a new label. For example, this one, and tap on create and then confirm create filter. So as you can see here, you will be led back here to filters and blocked addresses. And under that, you'll see matches from filters coming from Chad from this specific email. And so starting from now, whenever you receive an email from that specific account that you have set on, they will be automatically be saved on your labels or your specific folders. So let's say here, let's just wait for the email. As you can see here, we have successfully um, done it. And as you can see here, from now on, whenever this specific email we send an email or a specific account will send an email, you will see the label. So this again serves as your folder. So if you go here to your folder or your labels, you can now see that specific account's emails starting from now. And basically that is it. And that is how to automatically move emails to specific folders in Gmail. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.